I tried 500 plus free Blender add-ons and these are some of the best. Let me break it down for you. Blender has over 3 million users including freelancers, developers and even large studios. Because it is free and open source, every year thousands of developers upload their add-ons to platforms like Blender Market. These add-ons cover a wide variety of categories, many of them you may not have heard about before. I mean, what the hell is this writing category?
What?
They just have a text counter and thought,
We don't have any category for this, so let's make one.
anyways, I have created a list of free Blender add-ons in these 3 exciting categories: modeling, simulation and animation, with 3 top add-ons in each. And to top it off, there is a special bonus add-on at the end, one that stands out from the rest. Stick around to find out what makes it so unique. Let's start with category number 1, modeling, and we have first add-on Kit Ops 3 free, the ultimate kit bashing tool. This is the free alternative for Mesh Machine. Because it's free, it does have some limitations, but you can do most of the hard modeling stuff with this. It also comes up with option to purchase the pro version with additional features. Number 2 is J Remesh. Retopology is pain in the ass for everyone. When you try to fix something and because of some edges or vertex, it gets on your nerves. But not to worry, this YouTuber made exact replica of Code Remesher for free, so we don't have to suffer. It's so good I almost forgot how much I hate manual remeshing. Number 3 is IV Generator. This is more of a geometry node setup to generate IVs. You can say it's same as BagaPie IV Generator, but a free version. I mean, who don't love to save money? Talking of which, subscribing to this channel as well is totally free, so you won't miss any future update. Category number 2, we have simulation. So simulation category is ignored for some reason. That's why it took me a lot of time to find these add-ons, which are not only free but comes up with good functionalities. So to start with this, we have Blender Blender Flip Fluids. This comes up with a wide range of simulation techniques where you can simulate bubbles, spray, dust, smoke, fire and ocean in Blender with minimum effort. And if you have some money, you can try the paid version for more features. Number 2 in simulation, we have Bistate's Cloth Builder, a very neat cloth simulation tool for any kind of purpose. Man, I love this tool, not only because it's free, but it's so easy to make actually good simulation, and that is just a cherry on top. Number 3 in simulation category, Blender Bullet Physics add-on. Built-in soft body physics simulation of Blender is not that good, especially when there are lots of vertex in your scene. This not only slows down your system but also makes it harder to work. And to solve this issue, we have this add-on, which makes physics simulation run not only faster but with a proper stability, which can be helpful when we have lots of things going on in our scene. Let's move ahead to category number 3, animation. Now, there are already ton of free things available for animation, not only just add-ons but few very good AI tools to make your workflow easier. Starting with animation nodes. Again, this tool is made by a very talented YouTuber who knows how to code, from animating motion graphics, shapes, text and many more things. There are lots of things you can do which even I haven't explored in this add-on, so I encourage you to check out to learn and do some experiments. Number 2, we have Lazy Animation. Feels like Ian Hubert made this add-on because he does have a lazy tutorial series. You know what I mean, right? Another YouTuber made this. At this point, YouTubers are cooking so much. Yeah, they are cooking in Blender. And as the name says, this is for lazy people who don't like to do manual work. The best part is this comes up with option of choosing animation curve presets. This can be very helpful if you don't like graph editor. Number 3 is Mixamo. IK rigging is not at all easy, especially when you are following PolyFJor's tutorials. But with Mixamo, you can actually do a very fast IK rig with just help of few clicks. I love this part where you can import some animation in the scene, and this add-on lets you pick that animation, making it super efficient if you don't like hectic manual keyframes. Just download free animation skeleton without skin from Mixamo itself, which is free as well. Then import and pick that animation and it gets applied to your 3D model. And we are 90% done with add-ons. As I said about this bonus add-on, which is my personal favorite, I was not sure in which category should I keep it because it's multifunctional tool. So here you have it. This add-on is Quick Menu by Passive Star. I just can't live without this add-on. Trust me, this is the most OG, ultimate, pro, max tool and totally for free. This makes your workflow so fast you can't even imagine. This is the flash version of Blender add-on when it comes to shortcuts. I mean, when I first watched this developer's video on Twitter, I was in disbelief by the fact you can do all of this stuff for free, which is a big deal. Not only this makes your workflow faster by giving you shortcuts, but also makes it so efficient for your system, making your efforts as less as possible with top-notch quality work. I'm adding all these links in description with their appropriate creators, making it easy for you to watch tutorials on how to use these add-ons, and there you have it. Thanks for watching. I will meet you next time.